Alright, so I'm getting ready to do a game shell swap from this old crusty looking Game Boy Color to this clear atomic purple. And then we're going to do a modern display mod for it. I got this little neat drop-in kit that modifies the screen to make it backlit, because we all know, at least the older generations anyways, know about the Game Boy not being backlit. I'm not really that old, but you know what I mean. But we're going to make that backlit and we'll go from there. I got some alcohol to clean up the board, and I got to clean this Game Boy cartridge out because it's not playing right. So, but yeah, hope it goes all well, and I'll be back when I'm finished. Okay guys, so I got it done. It turned out really good. Got a nice special edition Pokemon thing in it, or Pokemon lens on it. It's glass, and it's got a custom atomic purple button, power button there, and atomic purple buttons here. And now we can turn her on, and it is now backlit, and she is working good. I say probably the first thing I've ever done, first Game Boy Color I've ever done, worked on, so looks good to me. I also failed to mention, but if you tap the display on top, you can dim it out, make it less bright, so it's kind of neat.